Made up of fibers that act like rubber bands, over 600 muscles pull in opposite directions to move parts of your body like, well, your shooting hand. A muscle can never push, it can only pull. That's why they usually come in pairs on both sides of what they're trying to move. And what did the muscles move when Nicholas was throwing? Bones. Our skeletal system is made up of 206 bones, from the smallest in our ear to the largest in our leg. Did you know that bones play an important part in another of our body's main systems? Bone marrow actually creates most of our blood cells, which is part of the circulatory system, and is responsible for bringing oxygen and nutrients to every part of our body. But when we're running, our hearts beat very fast, speeding up the delivery of blood everywhere. Our human hearts beat about 100,000 times a day. That's about 2.8 billion times in your life without ever stopping for a rest. 100,000 miles of veins and arteries keep the blood moving in and out of the heart, out to the capillaries that cover every inch of us on the inside. Yep, there you go. All right, go for it. Drive. Woo! All of that blood pumping needs to bring in fresh air, oxygen, and expel used up air, which is called carbon dioxide. And that's the job of the respiratory system. Our last stop today on the trip inside our bodies is with the lungs. Now, go ahead, take a deep breath. I'll do it with you. Feel better? You just used about half a football field's worth of lung tissue packed with these super tiny cells called alveoli that exchange carbon dioxide for oxygen and then pass it on to every single one of your 60 trillion cells. Now, here's a tip. Whenever you're feeling stressed, take a deep breath. That's because when the body is stressed, we tend to hold our breath, trapping the carbon dioxide in that needs to be exchanged for oxygen-rich air. Eating, running, thinking, even when sleeping, our bodies are made up of 7,500 parts that all work together every minute of every day, our entire lives. Everything we do depends on this wonderful human machine we are. But you don't have to take my word for it. You can find lots of great books about our bodies here on the Reading Rainbow app, or by visiting your local library, or wonderful places like Bodies the Exhibition. I'll see you next time.